What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah. If you don't know already, I'm a freelance makeup artist when I'm not working my regular job. My channel is mainly on beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the most trending lip combos of 2022. And let me tell you something, none of these trends are new. They're just coming back, okay? So I'm tired of people saying, oh, let's try this new chocolate trend. Let's try this brown lip liner with this gloss. No, this was already originated in the 90s with the cholas, and not only the cholas, just Hispanics in general. My mom's lip color was a chocolate lip every time, and when I was younger I used to smear it on and be like chocolate. First thing that I suggest is you prep your lips with something with chapstick, lip balm, lip mask, whatever it may be. Just make sure that your lips are nice and hydrated underneath. A lot of people come to me and they tell me that they love to wear a matte lip, but it just makes their lips look so dry. So I really do recommend conditioning the lips before you apply any lip product. The lip mask that I'm using today is the Tatcha, the Kissu lip mask. Is in the red tint. You don't have to use the Tatcha lip mask. When I'm not using that one, I use my Summer Fridays lip balm. I use, what else? You want to make sure you put this on when you're not about to do your lipstick. You want to use this as prep. I'm going to show you guys the lighter, more nude colors first, and then we're going to go darker because it's going to be really annoying to get rid of a dark color and then go in with the nude after that. But the first everyday lip color, and I need a sharpener. Everyday like lip combo, I like to go in with a brown lip liner that's not too dark. So I like the Makeup Forever Versatile Chestnut in 610. Right here in the bottom, I like to take it a little lower. The only areas of your lips that you really want to line is the very top part and the very bottom. You don't want to overline this size because then you're gonna look like a clown, literally. So you can go as high as you want in this portion, like where your cupid's bow is, and I like to go pretty high even though my lips are huge. You take a clear gloss. This one is from Sephora collection. Another thing that I want you to avoid, when you have color on your lips, you want to apply the gloss on your hand because you don't want the colors to mix. So I completely forgot about that. If this happens, try your best not to dip it back and just clean it off and just use your finger instead. This is just a cute everyday lip. It looks like I have a tint of color, but it's the lip liner doing all the work. Now for this shade, you can go with an even darker brown lip liner. So I'm going to use one of my favorite lip liners. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Rich Brown. So now if you want, you see how it accentuated my lips even more? Excuse the heater, I live in New York. It's fucking cold. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, but I'm gonna use the cream one. So the difference between this one and all the other ones, these are gonna have more pigment. The other Fenty lip glosses, they're more sheer, but this one is gonna look like you put a tiny bit of lip gloss on. I mean, this one is gonna, oh, this one is gonna make it look like you have, like you put a little bit of lipstick on with a touch of lip gloss. Look how freaking easy this nude lip is, this everyday lippy. Look how cute. Oh, I love this lip combo. Like if I don't know what to do, this is my go-to everyday. If I'm wearing any type of like makeup look, this is what I'm gonna put on because it's just so easy and simple. This next one is gonna be the brown lip liner with the brown gloss. So I don't have a brown gloss right now, but we're gonna make our own. I refuse to buy the Fenty Hot Chocolate because I honestly do not need another gloss in my collection, even though I bought two from Sephora collection the other day. But I honestly do not need another gloss, especially a brown gloss, when I could just make my own. So if you do not have your own brown gloss, you can get the Danessa Myricks Color Fix in Chocolate and just any clear lip gloss and mix the two. So I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the Danessa Myricks, just a tiny bit, and we're gonna mix it with the clear gloss. And I already have some of that lip liner still on. I don't have a brush, but yeah. This literally looks like the hot chocolate lip gloss. See? Just like the hot chocolate lip gloss. You don't need I get it, like it's viral, it's trending, it's really pretty actually, but it's just I have so much makeup, I don't need another simple gloss like that. The next nude I'm gonna show you is gonna be the Ombré nude. This one's gonna be a little annoying, okay? So first, start out with your brown lip liner. You want it to be pretty dark, just like we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty one. You're gonna go in with a nude lipstick. So the one I have is the Charlotte Tilbury Yes Honey. This is a beautiful peachy nude. You can get anything pinky, more on the brown side, but I like something more beige peachy. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put a little bit on the top, dab. You're gonna put a good amount on the bottom. Blend it out with your finger. You're gonna grab, I got another Sephora lip gloss. I love these. You're gonna get another lip gloss. This is, you wanna get a color like this. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. Fuck. It's a very beigey, milky color. Just look it up. Oh, actually, I'm gonna leave the link down below. I said just look it up. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's called Not Today, number 30. And you're gonna place that on top of everything. Go in with your clear gloss again. All these colors that you're putting on your lip, the clear gloss is gonna merge everything together. So I really do suggest that you guys get an affordable clear gloss. Like, yes, you can have your bougie clear glosses, because I have a Shiseido gloss, I have a Danessa Myricks gloss. If you're really gonna be doing these trends, I suggest that you get a more affordable clear lip gloss, because you're gonna need clear lip gloss a lot, and they just feel so good and they're super shiny. And if you don't want to get Sephora collection, just go to the beauty supply and get the little squeezy tube ones. They're so freaking cute. But look how adorable. This is like that true nude, like that beige skin tone nude color. Damn, I don't want to take this one off either. Looks so good. Excuse my face being a little oily. I'm taking a break from powder because I started using retinol and it's been drying out my skin a little bit. I just want to avoid anything that's going to dry me out. One lip that I got so many compliments on one day, I use my Danessa Myricks Color Fix with a clear gloss, and that's it. Like, everybody was like, yo, that shit looks good. That looks really, really nice. Just a dark chocolate brown lip. I'm using a pencil liner because this is the only lip liner. This is the only lip brush that I see. So like that. Let that dry first, because you don't want to sheer it out with the lip gloss so soon while it's still being wet. And these dry down fast, so you don't need to wait that long. And then again, you're gonna go in with your clear gloss. So if you want to, you can leave it like this, nice and matte, or you can be bold. So I really do suggest these Color Fix paints from Danessa Myricks to everyone, because I created a look doing this lip and I had a really big brown chocolatey wing and it was the same color. These Color Fix paints, you can use them for anything. They're multi-use. You can use them for brows, mascara, cheeks, lips. It's amazing. If you want to get this look, I really do suggest that you run and check out all the colors of these, because these will blow your mind. and they're only $18, and it comes with a lot, and you need the teeniest amount. This next trend is good for people if you're just tired of the nude lip, the brown lip, the lip line, the brown lip liner with the clear gloss. You're just tired of it, you want something bold. This is another lip that I got a lot of compliments on. When I did this lip, all I did was my complexion, I put some lashes on, and I did this lip. I felt so rich. Like, I felt like that bitch when I had this lip on. Lip liner that we're gonna use, this is the Anastasia lip liner in Blackberry. And I don't know why, I kind of fill in the outer corners a little bit, but that's what I did with this specific look, and I fell in love with it. The line right here. We're gonna go in with another Fenty Beauty cream lip gloss. This is in the shade Fruit Snacks. All you need is a lip liner and this. A girl literally saw me in Sephora with this lip combo, and she's like, give me whatever, like give me whatever is on your lips, because let's talk about it. Like, this lip is giving right now. Look at how it just hold on a second. Look at how this lip just elevated my whole look. I noticed the white in my robe a lot more. Like, my hair looks shinier. I look like, oof, I look posh. I look, what I'm gonna do, since I don't have the lip color with me, I'm gonna use that same Blackberry lip liner, but I'm gonna line my entire lips with it. Am I bleeding? No. I'm gonna line my entire lips with it, but I'm gonna do it very lightly. Like, very light. I want it to be sheer. I'm putting y'all onto all my lip combos. Like, I ain't gatekeeping shit. I go in my brown lip liner. I got inspired by this lip because I saw this really pretty girl, and you could tell like she loves glam. Like, she had a full face on, but this lip combo, I just couldn't stop staring at it. So she had a brown lip liner, and she had a really like a berry pink like this. It wasn't a nude, like it was a berry pink. It was pink with a little bit of purple. And I was just thinking to myself, I'm like, damn, would that look good on me? And I just tried it one day. You know how many compliments I was getting that day? Come on now. The next thing you're gonna do, if you want to, you can apply a clear gloss, but I'm gonna use my Lawless lip plumping line smoothing gloss in Velvet. Like, are you kidding me right now? So many compliments when I wear this. So yeah, these are the lips that I consider that are trending in 2022. It's like the perfect everyday lip. I feel like you can wear all of these for every day. Even the red one, it just depends on how, no, not an everyday. It's not an everyday. I'm lying. It's not an everyday. It's like a good, if you want to look cute that day, like you don't really have eyeshadow on at all, you just have a big lash, a bomb ass complexion with a cute fit, and you want a pop of color somewhere. And I feel like it's okay to, I feel like it's okay to do it every day, but you need to add a little bit of something on your face, because if you just wear a bold lip with no makeup, it just looks weird. So that is it for all my 2022 trending lip combos. Let me know if there's any other trends that you guys want to see. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.